We have been focusing on hydrogen energy for over 30 years through research and development in fuel cell technologies and FCEVs with the aim of realizing carbon neutrality. This led us to develop the new fuel cell system in collaboration with General Motors. The new system is more than twice as durable as the conventional type. The low-temperature resistance performance has also been greatly improved. The system was evolved by a new cell structure. The cell is formed by 3 plates, 2 bipolar plates, and a unitized electrode assembly. Simple structure has been realized by integrating flow channels on bipolar plates. Furthermore, the configuration of cooling flow channels in the bipolar plate, consisting of 2 plates, allows each cell to cool efficiently and improves durability. This has been realized through extremely advanced welding technology. Ensuring stability in welding strength between plates of 0.1 mm thickness has successfully achieved cooling individual cells. Hydrogen and airflow inside the stack on both sides of the unitized electrode assembly and the heat generated during power generation is removed by the cooling water inside the bipolar plates. Power is generated within each cell by reacting hydrogen with oxygen in the air. Only water is emitted. But power generation efficiency drops in the area around the cell if the humidity is too high or too low. The optimization of humidity control with an electric thermal valve and a high-efficiency humidifier improves the stability of power generation performance. This also prevents cell degradation and improves durability. New fuel cell system evolved through a variety of technologies. The new fuel cell system will be installed in CRV FCEV. CRV FCEV with the new fuel cell system that achieves clean and powerful driving, realizes carbon neutrality.